Hello, we are tapme.contact. Today, Web3 is very difficult to maneuver as a first-time user, and existing users are forced to worry about complicated contract addresses, making stressful and frustrating to deal with many transfers or transactions. Today, when two people want to complete a transaction, the receiver's addresses must be provided. Both have to make sure the address is being sent correctly, otherwise a horrible mistake could be made. This process is repeated over and over again for every single transaction made between the two. For instances where you are transacting between someone very often, it can get pretty annoying to have to ask and make sure every time that you're dealing with the right address. And after many more times, the frustration will never stop. Until now. People will still need to ask for a contract address on their first transaction, but now you can save this address to your own privately stored contact list. So from that moment on, you no longer need to worry about asking for an address or having to worry about making terrible mistakes. And you can share your contact information via a link, QR code, or NFC tapping payment. For future use, transactions will be able to be made via any NFC-capable device to ensure in-person level of security. Now let's take a look at our platform in action.
They could connect their wallet via WalletConnect. Then they could go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, if they don't have a list, it will have the Create List button. If they do have a list, they will have their contact list with their names and addresses. On the right, you can see your assets as well as your NFTs. When you click on a different contact, you have the option to pay and see your transaction history. This wallet has no transactions. This one has 2 transactions. When a user wants to pay that user, they can click pay, drop down and see all the tokens that they have. Click it. They'll be able to see the maximum tokens and they'll be able to pay. Simply click the plus and add a new contact. The mobile app's landing page shows recent activity between you and your contacts. On the right, there's a contacts list where you can see all the contacts that you have added. And if you click the button in the middle, this is where you could interact with people in real life. So if you hold down the button in the middle, you're able to interact with NFC tags and other NFC devices. The currency tab allows you to see what currencies you have. And then you could send them to people near you or to contacts. NFTs allows you to see your NFTs that you have, and then you could also send those to contacts. And then here is where you can share your contacts with people nearby. You can also send links of your tags. You could send links to your contacts in which you could click the link and somebody could be immediately added with their name already pre-populated and their address. There's also an NFC tag that I'm about to tap on the phone, and that also, this is how you would share contacts with other phones nearby via NFC.
In the future, we would love to offer our users' contact lists to dApp developers. Web2 network effects grow massive user bases due to their contact list sharing capabilities. We would love to grow Web3 accessibility using this same behavior. We hope you enjoy TapMe. Thank you.